The Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro feature a lightweight half-in-ear design, with each earbud weighing just 5.6 grams. They are IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability for daily use. The Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro and Buds 5 Pro Wi-Fi offer an enhanced audio experience with Snapdragon sound and Qualcomm aptX lossless support. The standard model delivers 48 kHz 24-bit audio at up to 2.1 Mbps, while the Wi-Fi version, featuring Qualcomm XPAN technology, supports 96 kHz 24-bit lossless audio at up to 4.2 megabits per second. Both earbuds use a triple driver system, tuned by the Harman Golden Ear team for rich, balanced sound. The Buds 5 Pro feature a coaxial triple driver setup, which includes an 11mm dual magnetic dynamic driver and a planar diaphragm unit. This design covers a frequency range of 15 Hz to 50 kHz, ensuring crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep bass. The earbuds support Qualcomm's aptX lossless codec, transmitting 48 kHz 24-bit high-resolution audio at speeds of up to 2.1 megabits per second. Xiaomi also equips them with Harman tuning, including an exclusive Harman Master sound profile for an optimized listening experience. The Wi-Fi edition sports next-generation Wi-Fi audio transmission, achieving speeds of up to 4.2 megabits per second, double the standard Bluetooth transmission rate. When paired with compatible Xiaomi devices like the 15 Ultra, this feature enables studio-grade lossless audio. For noise control, the Buds 5 Pro come with 55 dB ultra-wideband adaptive noise cancellation, covering a 5 kHz range. The earbuds also integrate a 3-mic AI noise reduction system, suppressing up to 100 dBs of background noise for crystal-clear calls. Wind noise resistance reaches 15 meters per second, making them ideal for outdoor use. Xiaomi equips the Buds 5 Pro with an independent spatial audio system featuring dynamic head tracking, creating a 360-degree immersive sound field. The earbuds also support personalized spatial audio calibration, optimizing playback based on individual ear structure. On the smart features front, the Buds 5 Pro introduce AI-powered real-time speech-to-text conversion with a claimed 98.7% accuracy. They also support face-to-face translation and simultaneous interpretation, enhancing multilingual communication. The Buds 5 Pro come with a Type-C charging case. The standard Bluetooth version sports a 53 mAh battery per earbud and a 570 mAh charging case, offering up to 8 hours of standalone playback and up to 40 hours with the case. The Wi-Fi edition features a larger 64 mAh battery per earbud while retaining the same 570 mAh charging case, delivering up to 10 hours of standalone playback and 40 hours with the case. Additional features include built-in audio recording, AI translation, and gesture controls. The Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro aim to provide a premium audio experience with advanced features, especially with the inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity in certain models. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.